What's good, FOV gang? We about to get some footage on the drone.
Get some drone footage.
We're in the Red Country area, California right now, as you can see. So we on our way to Glass Beach first, and yeah, about 4 hours in the driving so far. Legs getting tired. Roads are windy. But we getting it done.
Control for you.
No, not out here. But we'll catch y'all in a minute.
Bye, y'all. Gotta pee.
This man gotta pee, y'all. But we're here at Glass Beach. Not that much glass here, but
no, they said people be taking it.
people be taking the glass out of Glass Beach. What's wrong with y'all?
I mean, you got glass at home. What y'all taking this glass for?
But yeah. So we're dog tripping over there. But anyway, we are on our way up the Pacific Coast. On our way up to Oregon. We gotta go through the redwoods and all that stuff. So yeah, feeling for the ride.
Okay, bye y'all.
Right here, I know they don't do much, but it's something about it. Give me some sense of security.
And you basically drive. What is this?
So the big thing is like the tree that you guys drive through. Everything's straight ahead, about a quarter of a mile down. The whole loop is like about a mile, but we do have like a parking lot down there. So if you guys want to park, you guys can get off, walk around, you know, check it out. There's a gift shop and little hiking trails and restrooms.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Yo, we about to drive through a tree.
On purpose.
On purpose. On purpose, y'all. Welcome to Oregon.
Hey, Oregon.
Welcome to Oregon. We in the O.
I don't know what they call it.
Is that what y'all call out here? Welcome to the O. We in the O. Yo.
Gotta relax. Gotta relax. Don't he look fine? So hey y'all, once again we are in the Oregon, and we saw a nice, beautiful a little pull away area where we're gonna probably insert some more just nice scenic stuff before we get to our hotel for the night. But it's from the GoPro, you can kinda see it, but this won't do it enough justice. So we gonna let the drone Bumblebee show y'all right here.
Checking in, saying that.
Welcome to our little abode.
It's a cool looking thing, cool looking setup. It's different.
Yeah, we ain't never had nothing like this before. This is different.
Never. But hey, we got a full fridge, oven, microwave.
Full fly.
This is it. But this is the bed though?
Yeah, we poured this down.
Oh man, it's gonna be interesting. I gotta pee. Let me see.
Oh,
Hold up, it's connected? Or you gotta move the couch?
we probably gotta take the blankets out the joint.
Okay.
Okay, I fuck with it.
Okay, well hold on.
I fuck with it.
I gotta go to the bathroom first.
They said the movie might not take.
It's doing nice though.
Yeah, I don't hate it.
Oh, what, they already play movies outside too?
But she said the Wi-Fi is down, so she don't know. Hopefully it's up by movie time.
Wow.
I was starting to set the sketch you wanted to get. I realized bit of drone shopping for some automatically go down.
Okay. Oh, we got the rocking chairs too?
Yeah, you can watch it. That's what she said.
Okay.
You can walk down to the beach if you want to. You're like, no.
You wanna walk down to the beach?
No.
Oh, we even get our own stick. Own walking stick, just in case, you know. Bears. You know.
That's more help for bear.
Oh yeah. Yo, I walked the shit out of that bed. It's like, what? Hit that man like Rafiki. Yeah, I'm ready.
I ain't never did this before.
It's
attached to the joint.
That's what I was saying before. It's like it's built in.
Yeah, okay.
So it's a bed sofa. Hold on, let me help you. Let me grab this.
Thank you.
Oh,
keep this down, keep this down.
Okay.
I like it. And then it got the little freaky lights. Here, watch.
Okay. Okay.
We in there.
Alright.
I actually like this. I like this style. I like this thing. We got more than enough space for us. I like it.
It's a nice little setup. I'm okay with this setup for, you know, one night. You know what I mean? This ain't bad for one night.
Don't lay on that end. Lay on that end.
Yeah.
Yeah, then we wanted to cook. We honestly could too.
Yeah.
We got coffee.
You got any tea though? You got any the jasmine tea?
No. Just the Frenchie and the decaf.
Alright, let's check these drawers out. Let me see. Maybe.
Look at you. You always checking the drawers. Ain't nobody never leaving nothing. Especially with the, you know. With the code.
Oh,
the code 9.
Oh, they got some plates, y'all. Yo, you think someone left them plates or?
This is for here, honey bun.
Oh, okay.
It's a condo. You're supposed to be able to cook and everything. Supposed to be pots and pans and oil.
They got cheese grater. We need a cheese grater. We need a cheese grater.
I don't even eat cheese.
You need vegan cheese.
They ain't got that.
Vegan cheese needs to be grated, right?
I don't even know where vegan cheese comes from.
Oh, what's that? A Tupperware? What's going on? Oh yeah, we could put some stuff in there. Okay, what else we got?
I think I might order that burger.
Oh.
I ain't finna be cooking that one. I'm about to order that Impossible Burger down the street.
Oh, you are gonna order it?
Have them deliver it. Hopefully it's not expensive.
Salt and pepper.
Oh, it's lighting up more colors. Oh.
And we get a light show out here, y'all.
Yeah, it was white. It wasn't just that blue and purple. Like, it's different color. Oh. Listen, you trying to get out fly because we let you out. We don't want you in here at night.
There was a fly here?
He was, listen, when we came in here, and you was saying everything was full, I said the fly looked like he full too. Because it was a fat ass fly sitting on the handle. You're not on the handle no more. That was when we first came in. You looked at the handle like you still sitting there.
Oh yeah, forgot to check the freezer. Oh man, this freezer's freezering. Jesus Christ, that joint blowing out. Oh,
Hey, you want
what brand is this? This is, yo. Hey, we need a refrigerator, don't we? Oh, what we need?
I'm trying to get the fly out. Where'd he go? He was over here.
Oh, I forgot to check these drawers. Hold up, dishwasher. There's dishes in the dishwasher.
Teacups.
Oh, they got a wine opener right here. So for yeah.
But they already opened it for us, didn't they?
Yeah, they did. Ooh, cleaning supplies, trash can, everything right there. Oh yeah, this place is legit.
Yeah.
Okay. Huh?
He wasn't in the wedding. Yeah, he was over here.
She's still trying to kill the fire. I'm trying to find.
Let him out. I ain't trying to have him laying his arms on me in my sleep and the fly.
He gonna lay them eggs
be on
in your
my
ear?
face or something.
He gonna lay eggs in your ear.
He gonna lay eggs in your ear. You got hair in your ear. He like that better. It's warm in here.
I don't have hair in my ear. Cutting board? No, use a cutting board. Ooh, look at that pot.
Yes, you do.
Hey,
yes, you do.
All right, let me show y'all my dinner real quick, so I can let y'all go.
I tried to let homie out.
So I ordered from this restaurant called Spinners. and they got seafood. And I'm not gonna lie, it smells incredible. Nice sticker. You got great taste. But I know this. All right. Whoop. Okay. So I got their deep fried fisherman's platter, which comes with scallops and oysters and a whole bunch of stuff. And some fish.
And they got free delivery too.
Free delivery.
Free delivery and takeout. Start March 26th, 2021.
Well, hold on, I might need something else from them.
Yeah, they said closing soon, so let's go ahead and order.
Okay. Oh, and we also got wine, y'all.
But they had half off, 50% off all wine.
We got Luna Vineyard Pinot Noir. So we'll show y'all what that's hitting on. We'll let y'all know. But all right, we're gonna have to go, y'all. Bye. Okay.
Bye, y'all. Bye. So E-Money Boss on his way out there.
Wait. I thought I was doing it from again.
I mean, you can do it from in there too.
Look, we got a nice little pad for Bumblebee. Hold on, let me put Bumblebee on his pad.
Say it's way too cold to be out there, but you know. He out here on the balcony we have here in Oregon. In the O. So you guys can get a good shot. Whoa, that was close. Get a good shot of what we can see. And y'all see it pretty soon. Bye, y'all.